Hello, foodies. Here are some must-knowing healthy routine and best fitness ideas to unlock your full potential through nutrition, health, and fitness, and also manage stress. 1. Start your day right. Begin each morning with a nutritious breakfast to kickstart your metabolism and fuel your body for the day ahead. Opt for whole grains, proteins, and fruits or vegetables to keep you satisfied and energized too. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is key to maintaining good health. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and consider adding electrolyte-rich beverages like coconut water or herbal teas for added benefits. 3. Eat mindfully. Practice mindful eating by savoring each bite, chewing slowly, and paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. This can help prevent overeating and promote better digestion. 4. Include a variety of foods. Aim to include a variety of foods in your diet to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Incorporate colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. 5. Move your body. Regular physical activity is essential for overall health and fitness. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's dancing, yoga, walking, or weight training, and aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week. 6. Prioritize sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for your health and well-being. Aim for 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to rest and refresh. 7. Manage stress. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on your health. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, running, and walking, or spending time in nature to help keep stress levels in check. 8. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels and adjust your diet and exercise routine accordingly. If something doesn't feel right, seek guidance from a healthcare professional. By incorporating these simple tips into your daily routine, you can enhance your nutrition, improve your health, and boost your fitness levels. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. So start today and unlock your potential for a vibrant and healthy life.